I'd say that competence is the core value of ours that speaks the most to me. As an engineer, it's important that we have the knowledge and the experience to design a project, an end product for the client that's safe and functional and cost effective, that is something that they can be proud of for decades to come. I'm a structural engineer. I manage the section that does structural design for buildings. So we take the floor plans and the elevations that the architects develop, and we design basically the skeleton that makes the building stand up. I guess I was always one of those kids that liked the story problems in school. In engineering, it is kind of a lot of story problems. When you're doing the design of a building, you get the information from the architect and the owner, what they want the floor plan to look like, what they, want the outside to look like, what the building codes are, what the material properties are, and then, it's the engineer's job to, kind of take all those pieces and solve the many problems of how to put all that together. So that's really what interests me. I actually started working for Farnsworth as a summer intern when I was in college, and it was basically just through an acquaintance that knew one of the managers here that led me to the position. And I really enjoyed working here and stayed on when I went back to school, and then it turned into a full-time position when I finished school. Farnsworth Group has a great work environment, and that's for a number of reasons. Since I've been here, it's been almost 19 years, and we've grown a tremendous amount, but there's a lot of camaraderie among the staff. Farnsworth, they see their employees as one of their greatest assets, and they treat them accordingly. And then, there's also the projects that we get to work on. They're always diverse. We have a lot of really talented designers, so the projects are always unique and interesting, and it makes just the day-to-day work, fresh.